ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልን የተከበራችሁ የዚህ ትምህርታዊ ቻናል ቤተሰቦች እንዴት ናችሁ? ሰላማችሁ ይብዛ ብያለሁ። እንግዲህ ዛሬም በሌላ የሞዴል ጥያቄዎች ተመልሼ መጥቻለሁ። በዛሬ ጥያቄ እንግዲህ የእንግሊዘኛ የሞዴል ጥያቄዎች ነው ይዤላችሁ የመጣሁት። እነዚህ እንግዲህ የ2017 ዓ.ም ለመጀመሪያ ሴሚስተር በአራዳ ክፍለ ከተማ የተዘጋጀ የስድስተኛ ክፍል ሞዴል ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። እነዚህን የእንግሊዝኛ ጥያቄዎች እየሰራን አብረን ቆይታ እናደርጋለን። እስከ መጨረሻው ድረስ አብራችሁን ቆዩ። ጠቃሚ መረጃዎችን፣ ጠቃሚ አስተማሪ የሆኑ ለጥያቄዎች ወይም ለፈተናችሁ የሚያግዟችሁ በርከት ያሉ የጥያቄ ይዘቶችን የምታዩበትና የምትማሩበት ስለሆነ አብራችሁን እስከ ቪዲዮ መጨረሻ ድረስ በመቆየት እነዚህን አስተማሪ ጥያቄዎችን አብራችሁን እንድትሰሩ እየጋበዝኩ አሁን ወደ ጉዳይ ልግባ። አብራችሁን ቆዩ። በጥያቄዎቹ እንግዲህ የተለያዩ ሴክሽኖች እናገኛለን። በመጀመሪያው ሴክሽን ኦር ሴክሽን 1 ፓራግራፍ ጥያቄዎች አሉ። የፓራግራፍ ጥያቄዎችን ሶልቭ እናደርጋለን። ሴክሽን 2 ላይ ቮካብላሪ ጥያቄዎች አሉ። ቮካብላሪዎችን እንሰራለን። ሴክሽን 3 ግራመር ዩዜጅ፣ ሴክሽን 4 ኮሚኒኬቲቭ ፓርት አለው። ሴክሽን 5 ላይ ግራማቲክ ኦርደሮችን እናያለን። እንዲሁም ሴክሽን 6 ላይ ወይም በስድስተኛው ሴክሽን ስፔሊንግ ነው። የመጨረሻ ሁለት ጥያቄዎችን ስፔሊንግ ቤዝድ ጥያቄዎች አሉ። እነሱን ሶልቭ እያደረግን ቆይታ እናደርጋለን። አሁን ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ ላምራ፣ አብራችሁን ቆዩ። ኦኬ እንግዲህ እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱት ከላይ ሄደሩ ማለት ነው አራዳ ሰብሲቲ አድሚኒስትሬሽን ኤዱኬሽን ቢሮ ፕራይመሪ ስኩል ፈርስት ሴሚስተር እንግሊሽ ሞዴል ኤግዛሚኔሽን 2007 ኢሲ ይላል። ሰው ግሬድ 6 እንግሊሽ ሞዴል ኤግዛሚኔሽን ያው ነምበር ኦፍ ኮስችንስ ኦር ነምበር ኦፍ አይተምስ 40 ይላል። ያው 40 ጥያቄዎችን እየሰራን ቆይታ እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ጀነራል ዳይሬክሽኖች ተቀምጠዋል። ያው የተሰጠው የአንድ ሰዓት ጊዜ ነው። እነዚህን እንግዲህ ያው ትእዛዞቹን ልለፍና ወደ መጀመሪያው ሴክሽን እናልፋለን ማለት ነው። የመጀመሪያው ሴክሽን እንግዲህ የፓራግራፍ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ፓራግራፍ ኩዌስችን የፓራግራፍ ጥያቄዎችን የምንሰራበት ነው ማለት ነው። ያው ሴክሽን 1 ላይ የተቀመጠ ከ1 እስከ 10 የሚል አለ። ያው እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች እየሰራን የመጀመሪያውን ዳይሬክሽን እንመልከት። ያው read the following passage carefully and answer the questions according to the information there in each questions has 4 choices ይላል። ያው A to D choose the best alternative and blanken the letter of your choice on the separate answer sheet provided ነው። ያው እንግዲህ በተሰጣቸው አንሰር ሺት ላይ የሚሰራ ነው ማለት ነው። ፓሴጁ ወይም ስለምንድን ነው የተሰጠው ፓራግራፍ ማለት ነው። ያው ፓሴጁ ምን ይመስላል ወይም ደግሞ የተሰጠን ፓሴጅ ስለምንድን ነው የሚለውን እዚህ ጋር የተቀመጠ አለ። ስለ ጋይድ ዶግ ነው ወይም ጋይድ ዶግስ በሚል ስር የተቀመጠ ፓሴጅ ወይም አለ። ፈጠን እያልኩ ላንብብና ከዛ በኋላ አብረን ወይ ደግሞ የምንሰራ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ምንድነው ጋይድ ዶግ ይላል። some dogs are pets, others have jobs. A guide dog is a special kind of pet that works. Its job is to help people who are not able to see very well or who can't see at all. The guide dogs act as their eyes. Guide dogs are allowed to go inside places where other animals are not allowed. They guide their owners in post office and in many restaurants. With training, it is truly amazing what a guide dog can do. There is a place where those helpful animals are trained in, named the Training Center of Guide Dogs. There, they are given a lot of love just like other dogs, but they are taught to be very helpful. Not only can the dog guide a person across a street, it can also help put laundry in the washer and dryers. Put laundries anyway. It can turn lights on and off. It can open and close doors. Some guide dogs can even pick up a phone when someone is trying to reach the owner. Others might bark or pull their owner's hand towards the telephone. A guide dog usually wears a harness. The harness fits around the dog. It has a long handle. The dog's owner uses the handle to be guided by the dog. The owner may call to the dogs to go to the left or the right. The guide dog understands what those commands mean. Information about those wonderful dogs can be found in a book called Guide Dogs. Okay, so this is the paragraph. The question. Let's go to the questions. Question number 1. It is truly amazing. That's what a guide dog can do. The meaning of underlined word is blank. A. Surprise. B. Stupid. C. Boring. D. Senseless. So amazing meaning A. Surprise. A is the correct answer. Question number 2. Which one of the following is the importance of guide dog? The importance of guide dog. A. To help people who are able to see. B. To help people who hear. C. To help people who are unable to see. D. To help people who fly. So here the correct answer is C. To help the people who are unable to see. Paragraph 3. Paragraph 1 mainly focuses on here. The first paragraph mainly focuses on A. The importance of guide dogs. B. What does a guide dog spend its time? C. The feeding habit of guide dog or the feeding habit of guide dog. D. All are possible. So the correct answer for this question is the importance of guide dog የሚለው ትክክለኛው መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 4. Its job is to help people. It is in paragraph 1 refers to, it is here, it says paragraph 1. It is refers to A. People. B. Pet dogs. C. Guide dogs. D. Animals. So here a guide dog. C is the correct answer. Question number 5. Which dog are kind of dogs that are special? A. Pet dog. B. Guide dogs. C. A guide dog. D. Animals. It is B. A guide dogs. Question number 6. A guide dog usually wears A. Cotton clothes. B. Harnesses. C. Different clothes. D. Jacket. So B. Harness is the correct answer. Harnesses. Question number 7. What is the main idea of paragraph 1? A. A guide dog is a special kind of pet that walks. B. A guide dog usually wears harness. C. Others might bark or pull their owner's hand towards the telephone. D. The harness fits around the dog. So here, thought the main idea of paragraph 1 is about a guide dog is a special kind of pet that walks. Question A is the correct answer. Okay. Section 2 about vocabulary ወይም ወደ vocabulary part ደርሰናል ማለት ነው። Section 2 vocabulary part. Question number 8. My sister needs to look at the huge picture here. A. Extremely large. Huge means A. Extremely large. B. Short. C. Young. D. Teeny. So extremely large is huge means extremely large. A is the answer. 9. I would have plenty of time to get home before my parents arrived. Plenty means A. Minimal. B. A lot of. C. Inadequacy. D. Insufficiency. So it is B. A lot of. Plenty means a lot of. Question number 10. The students must obey the rules and regulations of the school. Obey means refuse, disobey, respect, disagree. So C. Respect. Obey means the students should respect the rules and regulations of the school. Question number 11. Most of the farmers in our country cultivate yields such as wheat, teff, maize to grow the production. The underlined word cultivate means uncultivate, harvest, till, watered. So the correct answer for this question is cultivate means till. C is the correct answer. Question number 12. The busy traffic entrance was a hazard to pedestrians. The hazard means A. Risk. B. Keep safe. ሲ ፕሮቴክሽን፣ ዲ ጋርድ ይላል። ሶ ኢት ኢዝ ሃዛርድ ሚንስ ሪስክ። ኤ ኢዝ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር። ኦኬ ሴክሽን 3 grammar part or the grammar usage part from question 30 to 27 is about the grammar usage. Question number 30. Which of the following sentence is written in simple present tense to describe general truths? To describe the general truths. So, general truths, one of the use of simple present tense is to tell about general truths. So, which is described in correct manner, or which describes correctly about the general truths, usage of simple present tense. A, where do you work? B, I play ገበጣ and ገና. C, my friend learned at elementary school. D, the sun rises in the east. So, D is the correct answer. Question number 14. Dreda is as dash as Jigjiga. A, hottest. B, hotter. C, hotter. C, than hotter. D, hot. So, here Dreda is as hot as Jigjiga. So, D is the correct answer. Question number 15. The student dash on the board right now. A are writing. B is writing. C writes. D writes. So, the correct answer is B. The student is writing on the board right now. Question number 16. Lamesa speaks English now, but he dash it when he was young. A, didn't used to speak. B, not used to speak. C, didn't use to speak. D, didn't uses to speak ይላል። So, according to this question is C, didn't use to speak it when he was young. Question number 17. Question number 17. Which one is the negative form of the following sentence? He is cleaning the compound. The negative form of he is cleaning compound. The compound is A, he do not cleaning the compound. B, he is not cleaning the compound. C, is he cleaning the compound. D, he is cleaning the compound. So, B is the correct answer. He is not cleaning the compound. The athletes blank with the college track team next month. A, trains. B, train. C, trained. D, will train. So, the athletes will train with the college track team next month. So, D is the correct answer. Question number 19. Mr. Mogos always get to the class on time. He is blank late for lesson. A, never. B, often. C, usually. D, always. So, he is A, never. B, often. C, usually. D, always. So, question number 19. He never late for lessons. A is the correct answer. Question number 20. If she won a lot of money, she blank built a big house for her family. If she won a lot of money, she blank built a big house for her family. A, my. B, will. C, can. D, would. So, if she won a lot of money, she would build a big house for her family. D is the correct answer for this question. Question number 21. Okay, so the active voice or the active form of this sentence or active voice. Sifan writes the letter. Passive voice. The letter dash by Sifan. A is written. B are written. C is writing. D is writing. So the correct answer for this question is the letter is written by Sifan. A is the correct answer. Question number 22. When driving a car, you dash drink alcohol. A, must. B, must not. C may, D might ይላል። So if when you are driving a car, you must not drink alcohol. B is the correct answer. 23 dash was someone who became a champion in basket. Dash was someone who became a champion in basket. A he, B his, C him, D his. So here he was someone. 23 A is the correct answer. He was someone who became a champion in the basket. 24 The Commercial Bank of Ethiopia building in Addis Ababa is the dash building in Ethiopia. More taller, B most tallest, C tallest, D the tallest. So here the correct answer is the Commercial Bank of Ethiopia building in Addis Ababa is the tallest building in Ethiopia. The tallest. C is the correct answer. 25 Wow, look at that. How dash books do you have on your shelf? I have to tell you, it's quite a great collection. A much, B money, C a little, D any. So how many books? B is the correct answer. Question number 26. 26. Students dash respect traffic rules while crossing roads. Students blank respect traffic rules while crossing the roads. A may, B have to, C can, D will. So students have to respect. B is the correct answer. Question number 27. Fatuma is a farmer. Dash have a little lamp and gets a good tax deduction. So here the question says Fatuma is a farmer. Dash have. So it has to be have. Has not have. So has መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው የጥያቄ። So Fatum blank has a little lamp and gets a good tax deduction. No? So the correct answer for this question is C. She has a little lamp and get good tax deduction ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So C is the correct answer. Okay. Section 4 or the section 5, I think. Section 4. Here is section 3. Section 4. Section 4. Communicative parts. Communicative part. Question number 28. Question number 28. What does your father do for living? A. He is a merchant. B. He lives in Adama. C. He works very hard. D. He is in cafe. So A is the correct answer. He is a merchant. So he is a merchant. A is the correct answer for this question. Okay, question number 29. Aza, do you like chocolate? Robel? A. Yes, I don't. B. No, I do. C. Yes, I do. D. No, I did not. So here C is the correct answer. Yes, I do. Question number 13. Hi, excuse me. Okay, Bini. Hi, excuse me. I'm trying to find the museum. Can you give me the direction? Nati. A. Go ahead. This street and take turn left. B. I'm going to Mallory Street. C. Where is the city park? D. You are welcome. So A is the correct answer. A. Go ahead this street and take turn left. 31. Mother dash son. I prefer milk better than tea. A. Can I take your order? B. What do you want to eat? C. Which do you prefer, milk or tea? D. What do you eat today? So, C. Preference. Which do you prefer, milk or tea? C is the correct answer. Question number 33. Okay, question number 32. Hi, Yared. What are you doing? Yared, I belong to supermarket. A. Going. B. Go. C. Are going. D. I'm going. So, the correct answer for this question is D. I am going to the supermarket. 33. Have you done your homework? The teacher asked the student. A. Yes, I haven't. B. No, I have. C. Yes, I have. No. D. No, I hadn't is the correct answer. D. No, I hadn't. Question number 34. Dad, what time is now? What time is it now? Son, it's costly. B. It's made up of gold. C. It's 10 to 10. D. It costs 3,500 birr. So, the correct answer for this question is C. C. Section 5, the grammatical order or the grammar part. Section 5, question number 35. Make did coffee she. So, she did make coffee. Did she make coffee? She coffee did make. She make coffee did. She coffee did make. She make coffee did. Did she make coffee? She did make coffee. So the correct answer for this question will be did she make coffee? B. Did she make coffee? Question number 36. Has she hair brown long? She has long brown hair. She has brown long hair. She has long brown hair. Has she brown long? So A. She has long brown hair is the correct answer. Question number 37. Okay. Many people think advertisements are harmful. Blank. Sometimes they can be very helpful. A and B, but C or D, so. So B, but is the correct answer. Question number 38. Should we go swimming at the beach, the pool? A, but B and C or D, so. The correct answer is C or swimming at the beach or the pool. Okay, the last section, the spelling section. Then choose the word which is spelled correctly, or correctly spelled. A, environment. B, environment, environment, So when the correct spelling or correctly spelled one is A, environment. A is correctly spelled. Question number 14. Library. So which one is correctly spelled? The correctly spelled form of library is B. B is correctly spelled. These are all about the questions. Thank you for your time. And if you have any question, any ambiguous idea, you can write on the comment section below. And see you next video. Thank you. Have a nice time.